Good morning. Chloe's decided she is a parrot with a clicky thing, which I have a feeling is going to take my right ear off in a minute. How is everyone? Are you alright? Yep, good. Yeah. What can I say? Clicky clicky standy uppy parrot. Why do I have the horrible feeling that is going to hit me there? Oh, that was loud. We're not doing much today. We're going to go to the park, I think. After I've been to A&E with a hemorrhaging in my skull. No, apparently no hospitalisation is welcome. Thank you. Right, Beanie. I'm going to come and say hello to everyone. Hi. There you are. Yeah. So it's all good, and we'll see you all soon. Turn this back. See you later.